Sorrento is a captivating coastal town nestled along the Amalfi Coast in southern Italy, renowned for its stunning scenery, rich history, and vibrant culture. Situated on a picturesque cliff overlooking the Bay of Naples, Sorrento offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea, making it a favorite destination for travelers worldwide. One of the first things visitors notice upon arriving in Sorrento is its charming historic center. The narrow cobblestone streets wind through neighborhoods filled with colorful buildings, lively cafes, and artisan shops. The town's architecture reflects a blend of influences from ancient Greece, Rome, and later European civilizations, which have all left their mark over centuries. Walking through Sorrento's streets feels like strolling through a living museum, where every corner reveals a story from the past. Sorrento's history dates back to ancient times. Originally inhabited by the Oscan people, it later became a significant Roman port and trading hub. The city's strategic location contributed to its development as a key maritime center, facilitating trade across the Mediterranean. Over the centuries, Sorrento has maintained its importance as a cultural and economic hub, adapting to the changing tides of history while preserving its unique identity. The town is famous for its production of limoncello, a sweet and tangy lemon liqueur that has become a symbol of Sorrento. The region's abundant lemon groves thrive in the Mediterranean climate, providing the ingredients for this iconic beverage. Visitors often tour local lemon farms, learning about the cultivation process and sampling fresh produce, which is integral to Sorrento's culinary heritage. Speaking of cuisine, Sorrento boasts a vibrant food scene rooted in traditional Italian flavors. Seafood plays a prominent role, with locally caught fish, octopus, and calamari featured in many dishes. Pasta is often served with fresh tomato sauce, basil, and olive oil, emphasizing the prominence of simple, quality ingredients. The town's cafes and restaurants also serve delicious pastries, such as sfogliatella and cannoli, offering a sweet end to any meal. Beyond gastronomy, Sorrento is a cultural hub with numerous festivals and celebrations throughout the year. One of the most notable is the Feast of Sant'Antonino, held in early June, honoring the city's patron saint. During this event, the town comes alive with processions, music, and fireworks, drawing both locals and visitors. Such festivals provide a glimpse into the local traditions and community spirit that define Sorrento. The natural beauty surrounding Sorrento is truly awe-inspiring. Steep cliffs plunge into the azure waters of the Bay of Naples, creating a dramatic backdrop for outdoor activities. Hiking trails along the coastline offer panoramic views of the sea and neighboring islands, such as Capri and Ischia. The famous Sentiero degli Dei, Path of the Gods, trail begins near Sorrento and is renowned among hikers for its breathtaking vistas and tranquil atmosphere. Sorrento also serves as a gateway to exploring the broader region. Its proximity to historic sites like Pompeii and Herculaneum allows travelers to delve into ancient Roman history. These archaeological sites, remarkably well preserved after the eruption of Mount Vesuvius, offer fascinating insights into life during Roman times. Additionally, a short ferry ride from Sorrento takes visitors to the island of Capri, known for its luxurious resorts, stunning sea caves, and the iconic Blue Grotto. The local economy heavily depends on tourism, which has grown steadily over the years. Visitors are attracted not only by the scenic beauty but also by the hospitality of Sorrento's residents. The town features a range of accommodations, from boutique hotels to luxurious resorts, ensuring comfort for every traveler. Shops selling handcrafted ceramics, jewelry, and textiles provide unique souvenirs, allowing visitors to take a piece of Sorrento home. Sorrento also has a vibrant art scene. Galleries showcase works by local artists inspired by the landscape and culture of the region. Music and dance performances, often held during festivals, reflect the lively spirit of the community. The town's historic churches, such as the Cathedral of Sorrento, feature stunning architecture and beautiful frescoes, further enriching its cultural landscape. Transportation in Sorrento is well developed, with a train station connecting it to Naples and other major cities. The Circumvesuviana train line makes it easy to reach Pompeii, Herculaneum, and Mount Vesuvius for day trips. Ferries and hydrofoils operate regularly, linking Sorrento to the islands of Capri, Ischia, and beyond. These transportation options make it convenient for visitors to explore the region extensively. Sorrento's climate is Mediterranean, characterized by warm summers and mild winters. The sunny weather from late spring to early fall attracts tourists seeking relaxation and outdoor adventures. The town's beaches, such as Marina Grande and Marina Piccola, offer opportunities for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports, adding to the town's appeal as a seaside resort. The community in Sorrento is known for its warmth and friendliness. Locals take pride in their heritage and are eager to share their traditions with visitors. Whether through storytelling, culinary demonstrations, or cultural events, they create a welcoming atmosphere that leaves a lasting impression. In recent years, sustainable tourism has become a focus for Sorrento's authorities and residents. Efforts are underway to preserve the natural environment, historic sites, and local customs. Initiatives include promoting eco-friendly accommodations, supporting local artisans, and educating visitors about responsible travel practices. In conclusion, Sorrento is much more than a picturesque seaside town. It is a living tapestry woven from history, culture, nature, and community. Its scenic landscapes, historic sites, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality make it a truly exceptional destination. Whether you are wandering through its historic streets, admiring the views from its cliffs, or exploring nearby archaeological sites, Sorrento offers an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of the Italian Riviera.